Hello everyone. Today it is the last video for the chapter manufacturing industry where we are going to cover the last topic, which includes your industrial pollution and some of the measures how to overcome the industrial pollution. So let's move to the first question. How does industry pollute the environment? What are the different reasons? So we know that industrial pollution, how does industry pollute the environment? Air, water, okay, and then you have noise pollution and land. So these are the four important types of pollution which causes the we can say that it's one of the major reasons, okay, for the pollution. So let's begin with the first one, that is air pollution. And children, they can ask you different question also for 3 marks. What do you understand by air pollution? Give any 2 measures to overcome this problem. Or what do you understand by water pollution? How you can overcome. So that also can come as 3 marks question, 1 plus 2, or they can ask you 2 marks question, give any 2 measures to overcome the problem of air pollution. So like that also they can ask. So it is just my assumption that you all must be knowing these answers because these topics you are learning from your childhood. So I have just covered a general thing about the air pollution, water pollution and noise pollution. So let's start air pollution. So air pollution क्या होता है जब toxic chemicals are mixed with the air, that is called as air pollution. So mainly it is the undesirable gases which are found in the air, such as sulfuric dioxide and carbon monoxide. Okay, so what are the different measures you can take to control the air pollution? The vehicles needs to be checked properly. The industries should set up the chimneys, okay, what type of the smoke is coming from the industry. So these all can be the checkpoint. Then water pollution. Water pollution, jal pradushan kya hota hai? Okay, jal, anything which is like, unwanted thing which is mixed with the water, which is the water when the water is not usable. So that is called as water pollution. Mainly it is caused by organic and inorganic industrial waste. Okay, so when the industrial waste dumped into the thing, and apart from the human activities also. Okay, so mainly it is because of the chemical, textile industry, dyeing industry, petroleum refineries. So these all plays a very important role. But yes, with that also, like, the human activities like bathing and other things like, happens in the which creates the water pollution, but mainly it is because of the industries. Then your noise pollution, what do you understand by the noise pollution? Anything like, is due to industrial and construction activity when there is a high level of noise. We have seen noise, you can observe the noise pollution during the festival season also when this one, what you call speakers are being run. So that is also creates the noise pollution, which can the causes which can dumb our air also. हमें सुनाई भी नहीं दे सकता है because of the air pollution. So we need to control on that. So these all are the factors which pollute the environment. Suggest any 3 measures to reduce the industrial pollution of fresh water. Okay, so again, this can be your 2 marks question or it can be your 3 marks question. Minimizing use of water for processing by reusing and recycling. Okay, this is your first reason. Second one, harvesting of rainwater. Water harvesting. Another, treatment of hot water and before releasing them into the rivers and ponds. This is the very new technique which needs to be taken care so that the fresh water resource pollution can be reduced. Okay, so next one is how do industries pollute the environment? Explain with the example. This is the same question what I have told you about, that air pollution, water pollution. It's the same question: air pollution, water pollution, noise, land pollution and thermal pollution. Okay, one of the important, you have understood about the air pollution, you have understood about the water pollution, noise and even the land. Okay, now what is thermal pollution? Thermal pollution is the hot water from the industry is directly discharged into the water bodies, which causes the thermal pollution due to the change in the temperature. Okay, जब temperature में change आता है, because of change in temperature, okay, anything which is which pollute the environment, that is called as thermal pollution. So what is the main reason here? What happened? The hot water from the industry, okay, hot water from the industry, it is directly discharged, okay, directly usko kya hota hai, wo water body ke sath mil jata hai, and because of that the thermal pollution is caused, and the reason is because of due to the change in temperature. Okay, waste from the nuclear power plants, these are like, you know, mainly from here only the hot water is being discharged. Nuclear power plant, nuclear weapons production factories causes cancer and even the birth defects. Okay, so these are the causes, like, you know, if thermal pollution is going to increase, definitely there will be number of cases for cancer patients will increase, even the deficiency from birth is also can be happen. Explain any 5 measures to control 5 measures to control. Okay, again this is your 3 marks and 5 marks question, very important. Reconstructing the manufacturing process to reduce or eliminate pollutants through a process called pollution prevention. Okay, so either we need to do the restructuring the manufacturing process, or we need to reduce the process to reduce or eliminate the pollutants. Okay, this is very important thing. Then creating a cooling ponds which are man-made and are designed to cool the heated waters from the industry by evaporation, condensation, and the radiation. This is also one of the important point. Then instructing residential areas. Okay, we need to instruct in the residential area how they can reduce the pollution. Okay, how they can reduce the air pollution, water pollution. So educating the people, it is very important. Then we have a backing the constitutional provisions by number of laws. Okay, there are number of laws also. One of the example I can give during the Ganpati festival. Okay, so during the Ganpati festival, what happens, the laws are being made, like, you know, after 10 o'clock there cannot be, like, you know, there cannot be high speakers can be play, or like, you know, after 11 o'clock. So these are the laws which has been made, and the notification needs to be given to the residential areas, as well as all, like, you know, it has to be published in the paper, so that people are aware of what they need to do and what they are not supposed to do. Very, 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 very important question. Every year this question has come, almost every year this question has come, that is called as proactive approach. Children, please make sure that you learn this question. It is very, very important 5 marks question. Okay, so what are the proactive measures adopted by National Thermal Power Corporation, that is NTPC? Okay, for preserving the natural environment and resources. It is also called as proactive measures adopted by NTPC. Full form for NTPC is National Thermal Power Corporation. It's one and the same. Very important question. Okay, and you have to write these points only, which is there in the textbook. Also, first one, optimum utilization. Optimum का मतलब क्या होता है? Maximum. Okay, maximum utilization of equipment by adopting latest techniques and upgrading existing equipments. Okay, so जितना भी हमारे पास equipment है, उसको हमें maximum utilize करना है with the upgrading. Okay, upgrade भी करना है उसको. It should not be the technique is old and we are not upgrading. Okay, so the first point is optimum utilization of equipment by adopting the latest techniques. Okay, and we need to upgrade the existing equipment also. Minimizing waste generation by maximizing ash utilization. Okay, जो waste generation निकलता है उसमें ash होते हैं, तो that ash also needs to be utilized in a maximum level. Providing green belts. Green belts का मतलब क्या है? पेड़ पौधे लगाना. Like, you know, for example, now you must have seen in the highways also, like, you know, both the sides are trees are planted, plants are planted. So that is only called as green belts for nurturing ecological balance. Okay, very important. Green belts needs to be encouraged. Reducing environmental pollution through ash pond management, ash water recycling system, and liquid waste management. Okay, very important point. Ash management, pond management, ash water recycling system, and liquid waste, and ecological monitoring, reviews and online data. Okay, so ये सब हो रहा है कि नहीं? How one person can monitor. Okay, so it is very important that they need to monitor it, whether these all things are happening or not. Then they need to review. Okay, and when they are reviewing it, they need to collect the online database also, so that it will be easy, that where all the things are being, like, how the proactive approach is being adopted by NTPC. Okay, very, very important question. Make sure that we will be meeting with a new chapter tomorrow. Thank you.